Okay, tonight I am taking a couple more off of my list, and this one is actually going to be part of a series because I wanted to kind of do all of these on there. And this is from the Dimash Digital show that took place back in January of 2021. It was a sequence of performances that he did, um, and then it was presented, excuse me, or streamed live. Um, those that bought the tickets for it, and it wasn't really costly. And I think it was what, maybe 10, 15, something like that, if I'm recalling correctly. But it was during the pandemic, and it was his way, since he could not be having in person performances, his way to kind of stay in touch with his fans on there. And putting this all together, with the preparing all of the songs and doing the filming of it and then the editing and all of that. The recording took place, he said, a day and a night, so essentially 36 hours of production time for this. And I'm going to try to do them kind of in the order of the concert, and best I can recall, and doing a little cheat sheet from Dimash's notes about this as well. But he starts it off, and I like the beginning of it where he's sitting in a backstage area. It's a very lavish room that he's sitting in, and he's watching a video of himself performing, and he's wearing this beautiful, beautiful maroon suit. And he launches into his first song while he's sitting there in that backstage area. And then he gets up and he starts moving back through the hallways and through the stage door and out onto the stage and performs. And as I said, it's this very Olympical, I believe is the song. I cannot perform or pronounce the other name of it. Somebody can help me out with a phonetic pronunciation. But he does that one, and then he launches into a very upbeat kind of song, Give Me Your Love. So I'm going to do those two tonight, and then I will get back and continue on through that concert. So let's get going right away with that first intro of the Dimash Digital Show from January of 2021. I like the DQ earbuds that he has. And that just slight smile that he gives to welcome us, draw us in.
Ogni pietra d'ogni fior, terra nostra è fatta per amor. Siamo figli suoi, poeti ed eroi. La vita nascerà e non si fermerà. Se forte stai e non aver paura, se forte stai, tu sei più forte dei tuoi cuori e non città del generoso cuore, raggiungilo, abbraccialo. Vai, non fermarti, amata, fratellanza e libertà, questo mondo vuole proprio te. Suoi tutti noi, tu vuoi tutto se lo vuoi, sempre avanti più che mai, troppo era il mondo anche se molti grande piacere. Solo amore, risposta al perché, ragione l'anima, e non ti lascerò. Se forte sei, ed è non aver paura, se forte sei, tu sei più forte di tutto, della città, del generoso cuore, raggiungi l'abbracciamo. Poi non fermarti a metà, fratellanza e libertà, questo mondo non è proprio te. Poi sii te stesso e tutti tuoi, tu puoi tutto se ne vuoi, sempre avanti dove sei forte stai, e non aver paura, sei forte stai, tu sei più forte dei tuoi guai, della città, del generoso cuore, raggiungilo, abbraccialo. Poi non fermarti a metà, fratellanza e libertà, questo mondo vuole proprio te. Poi sii te stesso e tutti tuoi, tu puoi tutto se lo vuoi, sempre avanti dove vai. Tu puoi sempre avanti dove vai. Se vuoi, se
Okay, that was song number 1 of the digital show, Olympico. One of my favorites. I like this performance of it. I think a little bit better than the one that he did at the Asian Games. It seemed a little bit more personal of it, and you can see that because of the time that this was being done, it was like sending a message to all of us that we, just the way we are, have something good to give to the world, and to believe in ourselves that we're all here for a purpose in this world, and to believe in ourselves and go for it. You've got this dream of what you want to do, and to put everything forward and go for it. Okay, we're going to move on here in just a moment. Let me pull up that second song. Okay, this next one has a kind of, as I said, an upbeat song to it. Kind of reminds me of Michael Jackson or the Jackson 5, kind of that vibe to it. On that, and this is Give Me Your Love. And let's go ahead and put that one on. And he wrote the music for this one, as you may have noticed. Got the Michael Jackson dance moves too.
Getting late and I don't find the words how much I miss you, baby. Miss you, baby. I can find the words how much you want to be mine.
Can't see it, but my feet are moving to it.
Every time I close my eyes, I can't forget the way you dancing, baby. Dancing, baby. Never felt like this before. You really blow my mind. Give me your love tonight. Give me your love. I'm out of my mind. Out of my mind. I know you feel the same. Give me your love tonight. Tonight, tonight, baby. Can't you feel me? Can't you feel me? All I ask you for, give me your love. I just wanna feel your lips. I wanna touch your body tender, baby. Tender, baby. Stay with me tonight and more. I want to never let me go. Let me go, let me go. I just wanna feel your love, but why your love so complicated, baby? Complicated, baby. Look into my eyes, I'm here. I don't know what you're waiting for. Give me your love tonight. Give me your love. I'm out of my mind. Out of my mind. I know you can feel the same. Give me your love tonight. Tonight, tonight, baby. Can't you feel me? Can't you feel me? All I ask you for, give me your love. My heart is your it's hard to be feelings came apart now. Whatever it will take, I'm gonna wait until you give me your love. Give me your love tonight. Give me your love. I'm out of my mind. I don't know why I know you feel the same. Give me your love tonight, 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 baby. All I ask you for, give me your love tonight. Give me your love. I'm out of my mind. Out of my mind. I know you feel the same. Give me your love tonight, 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 baby. Can't you feel me? Can't you feel me? All I ask you for, give me your love.
And there we had song number 2 from the digital concert. And as I said, that one had a little bit of the Jackson 5, Michael Jackson vibe to it. And the dance moves reminded me of them as well. Then I will end this one with just those 2 for tonight. And then I will go on to the next one. During this concert, a lot of the ones that he had already performed, like SOS was in there. But he did have a few more songs that he had composed as well, which was interesting to have ones that had that more personal touch from him. But anyway, that is it for tonight. Hope everyone has a great week, and I will see you again. Until then, peace.